There are few features that complete a home. ProFlex front-load washing machine series certainly makes a place for itself. With an elegant look and display panel, it delivers your desires for a healthy and hygienic home. And what more? ProFlex front-load washing machine series makes you its priority. Smart controls make washing options easy. Being user-friendly, it thinks ahead while giving you performance and better cleaning of a front-load washing machine. ProFlex front-load washing machine even offers steam and drying options in its programs. Whatever you choose, it clears bacteria and odors effectively. Plus, its JTEC inverter technology ensures effective use of energy. With ProFlex front-load washing machine series, it's not just about beauty. It's about an eco-friendly appliance for your peace of mind. Now that's a comforting presence right at home. Lifestyle awakened. ProFlex front-load washing machine.